Right, so we've got our turntables all set up, everything's switched on and working. Now this is the bit where people, after a month or 2 months or 6 months, decide it's not for them, they can't do it, they put all the stuff back in the box, chuck it in a loft to collect dust, or they sell it on. This takes a lot of time and patience to musically tune yourself and get used to the feel of your turntables, how they work, and how to decide which record needs to go slower or faster to beat match. So don't forget, when you're counting your bars, it's also important when you're bringing it in, but we'll go through that. So what we'll do first is I'll just go through a couple of the features again so we can see what they actually do. Right, so to beat match, we're going to use our pitch fader, which is down to go faster, up to go slower. Yeah. On these specific turntables, that'll be plus 0.8 and minus 8, not 0.8, sorry. And then if you put it onto plus and minus 16, that's plus 16 minus 16, and these are percentages. So if you have the record on, right, and so now we've got that sorted out, we'll mix the left side with the right side. Yeah. Well, the right side into the left side, should I say. I'll do it on this way so you can see clearly what I'm doing here and with my hand here. Don't be scared to touch your turntable when it's spinning. You know, you can spin it back. That's what your slip mat's for. Yeah. So you can manoeuvre the record around and manipulate it without actually stopping the platter. You want to get used to using your fingertips and just be used to just moving it. You know, don't press on too hard so you're spinning the platter backwards, forwards. Doesn't do your motor any favours. So you just want to be able to manoeuvre it around, you know, bring it back, but your turntable still goes forward. So I'll play this one. I'll do it not in the headphones so you can hear what we have to hear in order to get that playing the same speed as that. So we'll put it on. So we've got this one playing. Yeah. Now I want to get this one the same speed as this one. Now on your record, your first beat is the beginning of your first bar, like was explained in a previous video. So 1, yeah, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, right. All we're doing is we're going to get that the same as that, nothing else. too slow. We're going to speed it up. Bit too quick that. But it's still too slow. That's about there. So now we've got both records playing at the same speed. Now, a little trick you can do is if you're not sure and you can't decipher, it's like, oh God, is it going slow? Is it fast? There's nothing wrong with moving your pitch all the way so it's ridiculously faster. We've got that on plus and minus 16 there, put it back on 8. So it's ridiculously faster, so then now you know the only way it can go is slower. So now we've moved it, we'll do it again. So find our first beat of the bar. Now we know it's definitely going slow, faster, so we need to slow it down. You can also use your finger to just lightly touch the plateau and drag it. Oh, too much. Nudge it. Oh, a bit too slow. And there you go, both vinyl are playing now at the same speed. So what we'll do is we'll just move the record to near the end, and without using the headphones, we'll just put it on and we'll fade this one back out. So still in the main bit of the tune, we want the beginning of this one. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Yep. Don't be afraid, even though you've got it set right, you still might need to give it a nod or a little slow down or a tap. Yeah? And then we slowly bring the other one out. Oh. A little bit more. And there you have it. So now let's see what it will sound like in your headphones, but what the clubbers will hear at your bar or club or wherever it is that you're playing. So we've got the tune on, we've got it near the end. Right, we're going to have our cue on for this side so we can hear this side in our headphones, but the people can't hear it. So we'll still get to the beginning. And we count our beats and our bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the end of the phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we bring it in. Bring it in nice and slow. We'll turn our tweeter down a little bit on the other track. Then we'll wait for the kick on this. You can hear it building. And there you go. From left to right deck. Nicely mixed in. Right then guys, what I want you to do is I want you to practice that same thing over and over and over again until you've got it right. And then what I want you to do is, so you're not cheating and you just keep moving your pitch to the same bit all the time, is when you've done it once, do it again a couple of times, but I want you to, the one you're mixing in, I want you to just mess it up. Leave that one as it is, and then do it again, and then when you find that easy, what I want you to do is on your one that you're mixing into, I want you to make it slower or faster, and then do it again, mixing this into that, and then after that, I want you to make this side faster, and then go from that side and mix that side in. I want you to keep practicing that until you get it right, and you can do it from side to side and back, and then move on to the next video. Right? Brilliant. You'll smash it.